Ever met someone who feels kinda empty? Like they just copy everyone around them? Let's be real. Having no personality doesn't mean you're boring. It usually means you're not being yourself. Sign 1. You constantly agree with everyone. Not because you believe it, but because you don't want conflict. Sign 2. You copy trends, opinions, even humor, but don't know what you actually like. Sign 3. You change depending on who you're with. Different people, different version of you every time. And deep down, you feel disconnected, like you're just playing a role. Sarcastically speaking, you become everyone's favorite person, but not even your own. But here's the truth. You don't lack personality. You just buried it, trying to fit in. And the more you hide who you are, the harder it is to feel real. Your personality grows the moment you stop performing and start being honest about who you are. Follow for more self-awareness and mindset content that helps you build confidence and become your real self.